guys, this recipe is from the site So Vegan. I've been following their Instagram for a little while. Look at this. I love their Instagram. I have so many things saved that I want to do. But today we're making quinoa chocolate chip cookies. I know that doesn't sound like it goes together, but we're trying to experiment. We need raw quinoa, 1 ripe banana, maple syrup, almond butter, oats, oat flour, which I'm gonna make myself, baking soda, and dark chocolate. Everyone and their mama is baking right now. Finding baking soda was so hard. I hope that's not too much. Guys, I don't have a teaspoon measuring thing. Does this look like a teaspoon to you? I'm just gonna go for it. I feel like this isn't enough. I feel like there should be more. How the hell is it supposed to make 6 cookies? trays, so I'm just gonna use aluminum foil to line this, and then hopefully they don't spill over. This looks disgusting. Ooh. I changed my mind. I'm gonna freestyle a little bit. I just have a feeling like these are not gonna turn out to be cookies. Baby girl, we're just gonna have to work with what we have. But the recipe says it makes 6, so we already had this little tray that perfectly divides things into 6, so I just figure I'd put them in here. Okay, so I just finished pushing all the chocolate chips down, and look, this is what they look like before putting them into the oven. I was gonna do like a little chit chat, but baking is so stressful. I had to focus. I wasn't even talking and I still think I messed up. Oh my god, I should have watched the video to see what it looked like in the video before they put it in the oven. I just watched the video. Those won't be cookies. Like I didn't put enough, maybe like oats in it. They look like they put a lot of oats. I can't measure. I can't read. How am I gonna measure if I can't read? Let's see mommy's cookies. Look. Oh, they kind of look okay. They look alright. Oh shoot, I'm supposed to be counting the minutes. They might be cookie muffins, but I think they're still gonna taste good. They look gorgeous so far. Ooh, they look golden brown. Oh, they're definitely not done. Ooh, what do I do? They're not done in the middle. I think I'm just gonna turn it down. I don't know what else to do. Look how mushy that is. Okay, they've been in there for an extra 10 or so-ish minutes. Starting to look like brownies. Oh, okay. That came out clean. You think they're ready? They came out pretty good. It tastes like Cocoa Pebbles. If Cocoa Pebbles was a bread. this would be it.